You already know the situation of our River State House of Assembly, that they've been sitting in the complex, which is supposed to be their residence. And we have been working seriously hard to make sure that their permanent resident, permanent sitting chambers are put in place. You know the drama that surrounded our our relationship before, but by the special grace of God, now that everything has been sorted out, and it is our desire to ensure that the assembly returns back to their normal and rightful place of sitting. So this job has been on. You even remember what happened when the administrator was on, when it was believed that we weren't doing anything about the state of the complex. So I came here today to see for myself what is going on and the extent of work. I feel very impressed with what I've seen, and more especially the contractor just informed me that to fast track the delivery of this place according to our projection, that the interior and every other work that has to do with outside the external jobs have already been subletted to a reputable company, Julius Berger, that they will commence the work of the interior as soon as possible. And I strongly believe that before the end of December, this particular place should be set. Maybe when they come in, the other side of the complex that is not part of the major work we're doing will be handled by the speaker himself. But this particular one for their sitting, I will make sure that I put it ready, make it ready for them, so that by the time we'll be presenting our budget for 2026, we'll do it in the main Halo chambers with the way and the manner that is required of us to do it. Thank you. Open up. Open up. Open up. Is this? Yes. Okay. bigger than the former one. Abi?
Quite bigger, yes.
Of course. Bigger. Much more bigger. So we're doing the air conditioner.
It's almost twice the size of it.
Yes. And then the drum. And the well, it depends on if it's a big engagement. If not, you can have it in the committee rooms.
But that particular one there is
That one is the main chamber. With the balconies. That idea was to talk with them to prepare this the main in case they also want to have some kind of or they want to have their end of the year. This is their main hall. Their main hall. No, I think. Where's the location of the lift?
It's on the other side.
There are two of them.
There are two lifts.
Don't you have another staircase?
There's four staircases. One is at the extreme end here. There are two, one at the middle, one at the back.
Look at the dome.